Hello everyone. Welcome to Skyscend Pay e-Invoicing module for India market. In this demo video, we will walk through the capabilities of this solution. This solution is designed for suppliers to create e-invoices and e-way bills as per the Government of India's GST rules. So let's start with the video. Let's first talk about the onboarding of suppliers. How easy it is for the suppliers to register for this portal. So when we log in on this screen, when we get to this home page, there is a sign up option that can be used, and the onboarding is fairly quickly, where the suppliers just need to provide minimal information about the organization, address, their tax information, GST numbers, and PAN numbers. And in one simple form, the onboarding can be done. Just fill the form, select a plan, and you are good to go. Once your account is approved, then you would be able to start transacting really quick. So let's just log in as one of the supplier that we have. SkyCEND Pay provides a one-stop solution to create your e-invoices and e-way bills without having to log into any other solution at all or any other portal at all. Here we offer different ways of creating invoices. One of them is manual, where you can create manual invoices. You can upload your PDF copies, or you can just upload an XML, and your invoice will be created and sent to the government portal to generate IRN and the QR code. For e-invoices, we allow a creation and cancellation as per the rules, and same for e-way bills. We allow creation and cancellation as well. In addition to that, we also allow sending the e-way bill information to transporters via WhatsApp integration. So let's just start with dashboard. We can offer information like how many e-invoices you have, how many e-invoices you have by customer, and all of that. Then you have the profile, where you can upload your logo. You can check the information of the supplier contact, and you can check the subscription validity. The same page can be used to look at your financials that you have provided during the onboarding process. Let's just look at e-invoices, which is the main feature of the solution. We have options to view the list of e-invoices in one page, where you will see all of your e-invoices that you created. Then if you want to cancel any e-invoice, we provide that option as well. You just need to provide the IRN number, and you will be able to select a reason, and you can cancel the invoice within 24 hours. For downloading the invoice in PDF, we offer simple solution, where you can just provide the IRN number and you will be able to download invoice in PDF. Then if you need to send the invoice to WhatsApp to some number, just provide the IRN number and phone number, and this invoice will be sent to WhatsApp to that person. Let's just jump into creating an e-invoice. We have this option. Now I was talking about different ways of creating the e-invoice. So this is the first one, where we can manually create e-invoice, select the right information, the supply type, reverse charges, document type, and invoice ID. Here you will see that I have option to choose customers. So I can manage my customers as per my process. I can have multiple customers created right within my account, and I can create e-invoices for any of them. Let's just choose this one. I will be able to review the information like GST number, name, address. Then here I can provide my information of the line item, and based on that, the information can be used to create an e-invoice right here. Now let's just look at what are the other options we have. PDF upload. I can simply upload an PDF right here, and the smart OCR engine that we use will be able to extract the information and create the e-invoice data right here. Then we have an XML upload, where a few suppliers who have the capability to generate invoices in an XML format, they can simply upload the XML right here, and they will be able to generate the e-invoice from the same file. Apart from e-invoicing, what other capabilities we have? We have e-bills. Same as e-invoices, there will be an option to view a list of all the e-bills that were created in the past. We can cancel e-bills as per the requirement. We can download e-bills in PDF, and same as e-invoice, we will be able to send the e-bill information to a WhatsApp number. To generate an e-bill, we have two options. One, we can generate the e-bill while creating an e-invoice, or we can come here and generate standalone e-bills. Moving on to customers. While creating the e-invoice, there was an option where I can choose my customers, and here I can manage, I can add, I can deactivate, I can edit the customer. And the process is really simple. We just have to provide the basic details of the customer, like name, address, GST number, and all of that, and that's all. You are ready to create your information. You are ready to create your e-invoices, e-bills. That's all. Now, user management, very important aspect. This allows you to add users within your organization. You can add new user with a different role, so that they get their own IDs and passwords to generate e-invoices and e-bills, or even look at the information that is already there. Maybe you need someone who will be able to send this information to transporters. So you don't have to do it. Just create a user, give them a role, and that's all. The last two options are there that will show you the payment history, and the last one will show you the active subscription, and if you want to upgrade or downgrade, you will be able to do it right from the screen. That's all for today. I'll be coming back with more information. Thank you.